Hello, and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to be in this unchanged posture, hasn't really gone anywhere since the Saturday low, which was formed around 59 cents on the on Saturday the 13th. And we are still watching for any indication now that a low has formed. I mean, some coins are starting to move up. MATIC, doesn't really move. Okay, so not yet. So yeah, it's about time. It's about time. I mean, one more low cannot be ruled out. As I said, we might get one more low here, but it should avoid a sustained break below 58.2 cents. If we see a sustained break below 58.2 cents, it would make, let's say, bearish alternatives more likely. And it doesn't necessarily then mean new bear market lows, but it means that we might not see an impulsive move up, or it will get delayed, or we just move in a triangle, and it will definitely be painful. Below 58.2 cents, we don't have invalidation, however. It's just that the directly bullish scenario will become less likely. And a break below 49.5 cents, however, will invalidate this bullish 1-2 setup. I mean, then we have formal invalidation. So there's always a difference between, okay, what's the ideal support, and the last reliable support is that 58.2 cent level. We know that normally a wave 2 wouldn't break below it, at least not sustain below it. If it does that, well, then we probably have a different wave count, a different scenario. And the next support level below 58.2 would be here, the structural support range. Yeah, basically between 50.5 and 49.5 cents. But if we come down that much, then I will doubt that this yellow count is going to play out like that. But at the moment, I'm still following it, still observing it. We just need to be very mindful what MATIC is doing here. We are now in this C wave to the downside of a Y wave. That's the idea. Wave C of Y. And that could get one more low. I can make a case that a low is already in, but the wave 4 might have, basically one more low is possible, okay? I need to see a break minimally above the Monday high at 75 cents to indicate that a low is in. That would probably increase upside momentum. That's for me the main pivot against which I am leaning either short-term bearish or short-term bullish. I think we have to let Bitcoin decide. Bitcoin is currently working on a potential 5-wave pattern to the upside. If Bitcoin can do that, then hold a higher low, we likely have bottomed in the current correction. Either way, also here on the MATIC chart, I mean, very low risk at the moment because, it's not far to the invalidation point, also compared to a potential rally that could follow next into the $2 to $3 region. Really good reward to risk ratio. So there is a really, low risk at the moment on this chart. It just hasn't really given us any indication that a low is in place. But we are very close to invalidation points, which are usually the best places to enter trades, just because the reward to risk ratio is very favorable. So as I said, it takes a break above 75 cents to indicate, first indication that a low is in. Then it would still need to form 5 waves up, but at least we have a first break of structure. Next resistance would then be 95.5 cents, then $1.09. And if one more low forms, one marginally lower low is absolutely acceptable, and it would likely unfold in an ABC structure to the downside, or the 4th wave is unfolding as a triangle. If we see lots of up and down movements with shrinking volatility, then we might be working still on wave 4, but in a triangle, but we don't have enough waves yet to confirm that. So I don't think there is much more to say at this stage. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.